A cordial greetings. My name is Frainesa Chico Tenorio. I am from Popayán. I am a student at UNAD. I'm going to talk to you about silence. Now, silence letter is a letter in a words without says. We wrote the letter about, but when we read the words, we don't say that letter now. We have the silence E. For example, these 8 words have the letter E at the end of the word. For example, the words planning, plan, plan, plan. This plan is to make fun, for example. But when writing the it says plain without pronouncing the E. Is plain. Continue. We have the word time. Time has not meant meanings, but is we write the E says time. A moment. Excuse me. Repeat again. In the plan goes the E. Yeah. Continue. We have the word team. Team has not meaning, but if we write they says time. Time. For example, what time is it? Continue. We have the word cape. We have the words cape, but if we write the it says cape, not happy. All right. Continue. We have the word hope, but if we write the E, it says hope, not hope, not hoppy. Is hope. Without pronouncing the E. Continue. We have the word top, but if we write the E, it says tube, not Toby. Is tube, is tube. Continue. We have the word beat, but if we write the it says bite, not bitty. Is bite. Continue. We have the word cat, but if we write the E, it says cute, not catty. Is cute. All right. Continue. We have the word rip, but if you write the E, it says not it says ripe, not rippy. Is ripe. This is it. Then thank you.